Hi everyone, my name is Omar Murillo with Everhome Real Estate here at my newest listing in the city of Hayward. We are at 22139 Castille Lane, unit number 66 here in the Hayward Hills. Let me share a little bit about what makes this community really special. We are located in the Hayward Hills, however, we're not really deep into the hillside, so you're actually just a 1-minute drive down the hill to the restaurants and the shopping and all the convenience of having the downtown area close but not too close. So it's a nice combination of both. We're also very close to Cal State East Bay, which this would be a great place for a student or a young couple that is going to college and needing a place to live. Also, we have the BART station. The Hayward BART station is close by, and that could take you commuting throughout the Bay Area. And also, we are close to the 580 freeway and the 880 freeway. So you have a little bit of everything in the surrounding areas. Besides this beautiful neighborhood feeling super nice and quiet and peaceful with all the surrounding trees, one of the things that's really cool about this condo is that it has its own garage and it's really oversized. So not only can you park your car, but there's a lot of storage inside. Now let's go inside. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, and right now we're walking into the kitchen. So it's a nice white kitchen, nice and bright, clean with granite countertops. And then this leads you into the little dinette area here. You know, some people could use this for multiple purposes. If you're not a big dining person, you could use this as a home office area. So it's a pretty functional floor plan. And then as you walk over here, it leads you into the pretty spacious family room. It also has a nook over there that my client is currently using it for a home office area. You have plenty of space here. You have a little bar area to set up shop over there, and you can also have this little area here for eating kitchen. So you can put your stools there, and as somebody's cooking, you have room to do all that good stuff. And let's go to the bedrooms. So one of the nice things I like about this home is that the bedrooms are huge. So you have a nice big guest room right here, and as we're walking down the nice bright hallway, you have full-size side-by-side washer, dryer, laundry area with extra storage as well. So you have that, and then you have a very spacious guest bathroom. So you have the tub over the shower, so you have that in case you have small children, you can easily bathe them there. And then you walk here into the gigantic master bedroom. I really love this master bedroom. You have a nice window to the hillside behind you, and super spacious. And then you walk over here into the main bathroom area, and you have a walk-in closet that's really nice and spacious. You can fit plenty of stuff. This bathroom has been completely remodeled. You have recessed lights, you have a nice new cabinet, really fancy light mirror, nice new fixtures, walking into the stall shower. This unit also has a nice big balcony, and it lets a lot of good light in, as well as it overlooks the parking area because there's plenty of guest parking here. And actually, on a side note, this unit also features a pool, it has a gym, and a dog park. So there's a lot of really great amenities. So if you guys have any other questions, as always, feel free to ask, and I will share with you any insight that I can. And I look forward to seeing you at the next one. Take care, guys.